Here's how to play and customize the friendly Feud game. Ensure that you have at least PowerPoint 13 for PC or PowerPoint 365 for Mac. Friendly Feud is amazing for team building because it makes students work together, think fast, and have fun doing so. The game is pretty simple if you are familiar with the TV show Family Feud. Divide the class into 2 groups of students, with each group competing against the other. Each group selects a representative to answer questions on behalf of the group. The game starts with a face-off round. The teacher reads out the first question on the slide, and a representative from each team stands ready. The first student to raise their hand provides an answer. If their answer is one of the top answers on the board, their team gets the opportunity to guess the other answers to that question. The team has 10 seconds to discuss and collaborate before each guess. However, they are allowed only 3 incorrect guesses. After 3 wrong answers, the opposing team has a single chance to steal points by providing an answer still on the board. If they are correct, they take all the points for that round. To add a point to a team, click the arrow above the player image. However, if they are wrong, the first team gets the points. Once every answer to a question has been provided, click on the next button to go to the next question. The game continues with multiple rounds, and the team with the highest score at the end wins. For the version with scoreboard, click on the scoreboard button on any question page to see an overview of the scores. Note, before starting the game, teachers should keep a handout with all the correct answers listed. This way, when a student gives an answer, the teacher can quickly check the handout to see if that answer is on the board. If it is, the teacher can then identify which number it is under and reveal that specific answer on the slide to the class. Here's how to customize the game. If you want to play the game with a scoreboard, open the game version with scoreboard. Start by clicking Enable Editing and go to File, Options, Trust Center Settings. Click on Enable All Macros and hit OK. Next, close PowerPoint. Right-click on the file, go to Properties, click the box Unblock, hit Apply, and then Open again. For the version without scoreboard, clicking Enable Editing alone would do. Questions and their answers can be found on the same slides and are present on slides 3 to 27. To add the first question, click on slide 3 and scroll up. Double-click the question text box and add a question. Scroll down and add the answers to the question. If the available answers are less than 8, the extra answers and their corresponding shapes can be removed. Once all questions and answers have been added, click Slideshow and then from beginning to start playing. Hope that helps. Have fun with Friendly Feud.